Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a financial rut? No matter how hard you try to break free, you might find yourself constantly living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, or simply unable to move forward financially. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many people struggle with their finances, often feeling like they're stuck in a never-ending cycle of stress and anxiety about money. But here's the good news. Your mindset is the key to unlocking your financial freedom. In this article, we'll dive into why you might be stuck financially, and more importantly, how you can fix your mindset quickly to start seeing positive changes. It's all about shifting the way you think about money, success, and yourself. Why you're stuck financially. You're focused on immediate gratification. One of the most common reasons people struggle financially is the desire for immediate gratification. It's easy to give in to the temptation of buying things we don't really need, just because we want the feeling of happiness right now. Unfortunately, this mindset leads to poor spending habits that can prevent you from saving, investing, or paying off debt. The thrill of the purchase is short-lived, but the financial consequences can be long-lasting. How to fix it? Shift your focus from instant satisfaction to long-term rewards. Start setting financial goals, and remind yourself that sacrificing small pleasures today can lead to bigger, more meaningful rewards in the future. Create a budget, prioritize needs over wants, and practice mindful spending. You have a scarcity mentality. If you constantly feel like there's never enough money, you might be operating from a scarcity mindset. This mentality focuses on the idea that resources are limited, and no matter how hard you try, you'll never be able to get ahead. It creates a sense of fear, anxiety, and helplessness around money. A scarcity mindset holds you back from taking risks, investing in yourself, or pursuing opportunities that could lead to financial growth. How to fix it? Replace the scarcity mindset with an abundance mindset. Believe that there are always opportunities to create more wealth, improve your skills, and increase your financial situation. Start focusing on what you can do with your current resources rather than dwelling on what you don't have. Visualize success and take proactive steps to improve your financial situation. You don't have clear financial goals without clear financial goals. It's easy to feel lost and unmotivated when it comes to your finances. Maybe you want to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or build an emergency fund, but if you don't have a specific plan in place, it can feel like you're constantly treading water. Goals that are vague or not broken down into manageable steps can cause confusion and frustration. How to fix it? Set specific, measurable, and achievable financial goals. Break them down into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if you want to pay off a credit card, create a plan to pay off a certain amount each month until it's cleared. Having a roadmap will give you a sense of direction and help you stay motivated along the way. You're not taking responsibility for your financial situation. It's easy to blame external factors for your financial struggles. Maybe you feel like your salary isn't enough, or you blame your debt on unforeseen circumstances. While it's true that life can throw unexpected challenges our way, when you don't take responsibility for your financial situation, you give up your power to make changes. How to fix it? Take full responsibility for your financial choices, even the mistakes. Acknowledge your current situation without judgment, and understand that only you have the power to change it. The moment you take responsibility is the moment you regain control and can start making proactive, positive decisions for your financial future. You're not investing in yourself when you're stuck financially. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that you don't have the resources to improve. Whether it's furthering your education, learning new skills, or even taking care of your physical and mental health, not investing in yourself can keep you from achieving financial success. How to fix it? Start viewing self-investment as a key to unlocking your financial potential. Whether it's taking an online course to enhance your skills, attending networking events, or even reading books about financial literacy, investing in yourself pays off in the long run. Remember, the more you grow, the more valuable you become, both personally and financially. How to fix your mindset fast? Now that we've covered some of the reasons why you might be stuck financially, it's time to talk about how you can shift your mindset to break free from this cycle and make lasting changes. Adopt a growth mindset. The first step in fixing your financial mindset is to adopt a growth mindset. This means embracing the belief that your financial situation is not fixed and can improve with effort and learning. Recognize that your past mistakes do not define your future, and you have the ability ability to learn new skills, adapt to challenges, and make better decisions moving forward. Start thinking like a wealthy person. If you want to improve your financial situation, start thinking like someone who is already wealthy. Wealthy people don't view money as a source of stress or fear. They see it as a tool to create opportunities. Start adopting habits and behaviors that align with financial success, such as budgeting, investing, and prioritizing long-term goals over short-term desires. Set smart goals. As mentioned earlier, having clear financial goals is essential to breaking free from financial stagnation. Use the SMART goal framework to create specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. This clarity will give you a sense of direction and help you stay focused and motivated. Surround yourself with the right people. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your mindset. If you're surrounded by people who have negative or limiting beliefs about money, it can be hard to break free from financial struggles. Surround yourself with people who are financially successful, who think positively about money, and who can offer guidance, support, and inspiration. Practice gratitude and abundance. To shift your mindset to one of abundance, practice gratitude every day. Focus on the positive aspects of your financial situation, no matter how small. The more you focus on what you already have, the more you'll attract additional wealth and opportunities into your life. Take action. Even small steps matter. Taking action is one of the most powerful ways to shift your mindset and break free from financial stagnation. Often, when we feel overwhelmed by our financial situation, the hardest part is simply getting started. The thought of tackling everything at once can seem impossible, leading to paralysis and inaction. However, it's crucial to understand that even small steps matter. Every positive action you take, no matter how tiny it may seem at the time, will add up over time and create the momentum you need to propel yourself forward. If you think about it, taking action is like planting seeds in a garden. At first, you might not see any immediate results, but over time, as you continue to water and nurture those seeds, they will grow into something substantial. The same goes for your finances. It's easy to feel like you're not making any progress, especially when you're just starting out or when your goals seem far off. But don't let that discourage you. Action is the catalyst for change. Final thoughts. If you're feeling stuck financially, it's important to recognize that the issue isn't just about your income or circumstances. It's about how you think about money and your relationship with it. By shifting your mindset and adopting positive financial habits, you can break free from the cycle of financial stress and move toward a more secure and prosperous future. So, take charge of your financial situation today. Start small, think big, and commit to a mindset of abundance and growth. You'll be surprised at how quickly things can change when you shift your perspective and take focused, deliberate action